Welcome to your dream home at 219 Sunset Crest Court, nestled in the heart of Apollo Beach's Seacrest area of the Mirabay neighborhood. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa spans 1,734 square feet of cozy, low-maintenance living space, perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the Florida lifestyle without the fuss. Step inside and discover a home that's been lovingly cared for, featuring 2 inviting screened-in lanai areas with beautiful porcelain wood-look tile flooring. The rear lanai, measuring 12 by 14, offers a peaceful view of a lush conservation area, ideal for quiet mornings or relaxing evenings. The front screened porch is 12 by 12 and faces a picturesque park-like view, setting the scene for beautiful views right from your doorstep, complete with a rolled-down sunshade to block the afternoon sun. Inside, the villa boasts a whole home water purifier and a reverse osmosis filter for drinking water at the kitchen sink and refrigerator, ensuring your comfort and health with every sip. Cooking enthusiasts will delight in the kitchen equipped with gas appliances, making meal prep a breeze. Plus, a special storage closet just off the garage, along with an oversized pantry and master closet, provides all the extra space you need. The living spaces are designed for comfort and ease, with the second bath featuring a full bath and tub, while the master bath offers a large walk-in shower, catering to all your relaxation needs. Check out the floor plan. This model offers direct garage-to-home entrance, no dodging the rain to get inside, and a larger-than-most driveway, adding to the convenience and appeal of this beautiful home. But that's not all. Living in this villa means you'll enjoy the most economical HOA in the area, at just $288 a month. This fee covers everything you need for truly low-maintenance living: exterior irrigation water, exterior painting, roof care, lawn care, landscaping, and periodic pest control. It's all taken care of, so you can spend your time enjoying life. Built by West Bay Homes, a local builder known for quality and craftsmanship, this villa is more than just a house, it's a place to call home. Whether you're enjoying the scenic views, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing, 219 Sunset Crest Court offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and beauty. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this house your home. It's waiting for you to start your next chapter here in Apollo Beach.